Hey, what is up, guys? So today the market is doing well. Finally, one good day. Let's look at the account value first. Okay, um, 28 28 lakhs 61,000 in stocks plus 3 lakhs 1,000, a total of 3162. Yeah, today we are up like the I'm up like 43,000. Yeah, and after that, let's look at the Nifty on how it is doing. Okay, Nifty has clearly, broken out of this range, tightening range below the moving averages. And then today it gapped up, and on top of that, it did not even fill the gap, and it goes on to make, it is closing strong, which is like very, very good news for me because, that signals could be a beginning of the new trend. So yeah, this is Nifty clearly trading above the moving averages 10 and 20 and gapped up, closing strong today. Good news for me. And hey guys, please do not take my word for anything. This is my analysis. Please do your own research. CNX small cap 100. And now let's look at Nifty small cap. Okay, it had a good run and then a pullback to the moving averages, and now looks like the pullback is over. And now today for the first time in it is trading above the moving averages strongly, gapped up, and trying to close in green. That's good news. So I will take, and my rule, let's go to my rules. you know I will buy only when Nifty is trading about 10, Nifty small cap is trading about 10-day moving average. And the question is it trading about 10-day moving average? It's a no-brainer, yes. And it's showing some strength today. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some buys. So I will pull some charts here. Okay. This is my screener. Okay, EMMVEE. This is, it is already up 9% for the day. So this is a number one uptrend, and then this is a kind of range, and then range formation, and then it is, today it is moving out of this range. It already made a big move, but I think this is the beginning of the move, but it is already up 9%. Yeah, I'll position size less, like 1.5 lakh into this. What's the name of this? EMMVEE. All right, we'll put some. Okay, 15,000. I will. Okay, instead of 15,000, yeah, we'll go ahead with 15,000 risk. That is 0.5% of my trading capital, approximately. So, what is the stop loss? Stop loss will be today's low. That will be this much, 25 rupees divided by 25. This many number of shares I should buy, 600. All right, let's do some math here. 600 into 289, something like 1,73,000. That's good. All right, we'll go ahead and create a new order. This is kind of confusing. I don't know. Okay, orders, positions, watch list. EMMVEE. Add by not trading. I want to invest. Okay, how many shares? 600 shares. Price, market price. I want to put a stop loss. How much stop loss? If I enter here, the stop loss will be this much, 9%. We'll go with minus 9%. What is the stop loss, bro? Today's low. How much is the today's low? 265. Let's go with 264. Yep, it's a very big stop loss, but yeah, I'm taking this position because it is, coming out of the strong, it is closing in very strong out of the range. So if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Bought it. Yep. Yeah, it's showing in here. I just bought it. All right. Now the stop loss is also here below the day's low. And after that, I will go to Adani Power. Adani Power had a strong run, and then it is, range formation happened. The volume dried up. Today the volume has come in, and then a strong close is happening. So let's go Adani Power. Where are you, buddy? Adani Power watch list. We'll add Adani Power. I'm gonna buy it. Adani Power. Okay, let's see how much stop loss. If I enter here, the stop loss is here. Okay, 30. We are risking approximately 14 rupees. Let's go with 15 rupees. Okay, actually, no need of the math. 15,000 divided 1,000 shares. Okay, I will buy 1,000 shares by investing 1,000. Fund limit insufficient. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to sell my liquid funds, which is here. I'm going to sell all of it. Why? Because I think the market is gonna go up from here. So there is no point in putting the money in fixed deposit. Let's put that money in the market. I want to put that money in the market. Let's see if it is sold. Success. All right. So where were we? Watch list. Adani Power. Buy. How many shares? 1,000. Okay, 1,000 shares, I think. Right. Let's open the chart. Forget about it. We have it here. Okay, what is the day's low? Today will be the 220, so we'll go with 219 for stop loss. 219. All right, that's a minus 6% stop loss. I required how much? 46,636. That's it. I mean, no, I don't know. Adani Power, 233 rupees. Okay, I'm buying here. The stop loss here. 15,000 rupees divided by 15 is equal to 1,000 shares. Yeah, I'm gonna buy 1,000 shares. Investing. Right. Now it's showing correctly. Instant buy. Success. Okay, let's go and check in the positions. Yep, we bought it. And now let's go and look at this CP plus. I want to avoid it because earnings nearby, and it's kind of facing the resistance anyway. It's not a clean buy signal for me. Lloyd's Enterprises, I like this setup. Why? Because I think this is kind of a pullback. The price took support at the 20-day moving average, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tight days, and today it is coming out of that range, and we have a strong uptrend here, kind of a flag pattern, the volume drying up, and today the volume is kind of decent, definitely decent. It has been outperforming the small cap since quite a few days now. So let's go. I will go ahead and buy this stock. How much is the stop loss? 4 rupees. 15,000 divided by 4. I'm very bad at math. That will be 3,750 shares. All right. We'll add here watch list. LLY LLOY DSE 71.2. Yep, I'm going and buying how many shares? 3750. Stop loss will be today's low, which is 68. So let's go with 67.9. 7.9. That will be, man, this is all investing, not trading, bro. All right, that is bought. We'll go and check in the orders executed. Positions, yep, they're all taken. And now how much money I have? I have the remaining 4,26,000. Let's see if I can put some money in. This looks like a solid good setup. I mean, it's not a solid setup, I don't know, but I like it anyway, because this is a uptrend, this is a pullback, this is a support. Today it came out, but I think it hit the upper circuit. I don't think I can buy it today. UTL watch list. Let's see. UTLS solar, UTL solar watch list. UTLSO solar depth. Oh, sorry. This is sun flag. This one. Yeah, I think it hit the upper circuit. So if I place the order, it will not be successful. Let's go to the next one. I definitely love this. I mean, why do I love this? It's not a break. It's not a clean breakout yet, but I think this is, this wants to go up. Oh, why is that? It had a good run from here to here. Okay. Oh, it is also facing. Oh, it is taking support here. Okay. Let's see. So it went from here to here, and then it came down, up, down, and then here tightening, and then today it is going up, taking support to the 10-day moving average. So, and today will be the first day. If it were to go up from here, today will be the first day. I'm going ahead and buying this. I like this. Yeah, actually, during this contraction phase, volume also came down, volume dry up. So let's go and I will buy this. How much stop loss can I place for this one? 283. Let's round it up to 300. 15,000 divided by 300. 50 shares. All right. First, let's add that name to GRWR. Okay, buy first, investing, and then how many shares I want to buy? 300 shares at the market price. Oh, sorry, 50 shares. 50 shares. Stop loss I want to put at today's low, which is 5362. So 5359 instant buy. All right, that is over. How much money do I have left over? 1,45,000. Let's see how many positions do I have so far. Okay, fin cables, not a I don't like this wick. Adani Green. Finally, I did some homework. Okay. I mean, it went up, but I don't like this sell off because huge volume sell off. You know what? I'll put like 1,40,000 into this, the remaining 1,40,000. Adani Green. By investing. Yeah, okay. I'll go with 100 shares. Stop loss will be today's low. That is 1365, 1364. Wish me good luck, guys. Wish me good luck. Okay, so that was my alarm for 3:15. I think I am all invested. I mean, all my money is in. Oh, why is this still there? Did the order not go through? Adani Green. Oh, bought only one. Why? Oh, 99. Investing. Stop loss. 13. Low. How much? What was the low? 1365. 1364. All set. I think all the money is over. This will let I leave this 4,000 because charges will be covered. All right. And let's look at the current positions how they did today. Okay, the positions which was I was already holding. So today Park Hospitals is pretty good. It's going up. Bought it somewhere around. I bought it at 216 rupees. Yeah, on this day. Since then it's going up. I mean, nice. And after that CMPDI is going up today. Good. Kirloskar is going up. Good. V2 retail. Good. They are all trading about, and Sempro is not unable to go up in spite of market being good. I don't know why. Not good news. MCX also not pretty good because I'm sure this will go down, but I don't know. I have to hold it. I have to respect my um, exit rule, which says like this is my exit rule. When the price closes below 10-day moving average with a follow through, that is when I'll close the position. So it is still it is yesterday it closed below 10-day moving average, but today the close did not follow through. That's why I'm keeping this position. TD Power Systems is struggling to go up and also is not going down either. SIS clearly not doing good. It's forming a range. It has to break this range. Let's see if it can break in, I don't know, it might take 3 to 4 days. uh, I'm not sure. All right, that's all for today. Market is doing good, my portfolio is doing good. Lucky me, can't complain. But I'm proud of the way I waited for good times and finally pushed all the money into the markets today. But we'll be very cautious if the markets were to reverse from here. With Trump being in America, anything can happen at any time. So, um, so far, um, that's all. All these trades, I have done my homework and I am executing here. This is my conviction, this is my ideas. You can see how the process is and if it is working or not in the real time with real money. uh, Please do not copy my trades. This is for only educational purposes. You can kind of do your own research based on the principles which I am saying here. And these setups, I have watched a lot of Polamagi videos on YouTube, and this is what I learned from him, and I'm trying to put that into my trading account. Strong uptrend followed by pullback or range and then reversing. Yeah, those are the principles which I'm trying to put here, and you can see how they are working here. If you are a beginner, this is what I would tell to my younger Santosh. Yeah, thanks man, wish you good luck. Don't lose money, control the losses. Take care. Bye.